When you see a movie or you see surgery in a movie and the surgeon says scalpel, well, the hand that you see that hands that scalpel, that's me. But it's so much more involved than that. My name is Angelique. I work in the OR, the operating room, as a surgical technologist. I've been here since 2010. Once I find myself in the surgical suite, I get to prepare the room. I make sure that all of the environment is truly sterile. I like to say that this is the time when all of my thinking and thoughts are very laser focused. I have like a way of, okay, I'm gonna go through this pan and I'm gonna take everything out that I need and set it in a way so that everything is like bundled and ready to go. There is such a flow in surgery and you don't wanna disrupt that flow. So when it's going, I've almost become an extra extremity of the surgeon. He can stay focused and look in that child's chest and do what he has to do so that that patient is receiving the best patient care. And he knows that he can rely on me all he has to do is reach his hand out and he's gonna get exactly what the instrument he needs to perform the next step. One of my first jobs was across the street as a dog walker at the vet clinic, and I just remember looking up at Children's beautiful hospital and just looking at the windows and just wondering, what are those families going through? What are they experiencing? And what are the people like that are helping these families through those experiences? And I just knew that I wanted to be one of those people to help those families. And here I am.